Welcome to our video on the top 5 cordless screwdrivers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to make simple household repairs, a good cordless screwdriver can save you time and effort. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. DeLi. The DeLi cordless electric screwdriver is a great entry-level tool for anyone looking to handle household tasks with ease. This mini drill comes with a 2000 mAh lithium battery that offers long-lasting power, and with a 4 volts rating, it's perfect for light to medium-duty work. One of the standout features is its 4-gear torque adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the power for different types of screws. Whether you need to assemble furniture or install light fixtures, this screwdriver does the job. It also comes with dual LED lights that automatically turn on, which is incredibly useful when working in dimly lit areas. The tool is equipped with a magnetic screwdriver head and extension rod, making it versatile and easy to use. Plus, with its Type-C USB charging, you can conveniently power up the tool without worrying about bulky adapters. If you need a practical, simple, and efficient screwdriver for general home repairs, the DeLi cordless electric screwdriver is a solid choice. Number 4. Worx 4V Mini. Next, we have the Worx 4V Mini electric screwdriver, a compact and powerful tool that's perfect for small projects around the house. This screwdriver comes with a 30-piece bit set, giving you all the essential bits for various jobs, from assembling furniture to installing small electrical fixtures. Its 4V battery offers plenty of power for light DIY tasks, and the tool is easy to handle with its ergonomic design. One of the great features is its USB rechargeability, which makes it easy to power up wherever you are. The Worx 4V Mini screwdriver is lightweight, weighing only 800 grams, making it comfortable for prolonged use without fatigue. The precision and ease of use make it a great option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a reliable and portable screwdriver, this model from Worx is a top contender. Number 3. JENABOM Mini. The JENABOM Mini cordless electric screwdriver set is ideal for those who need a variety of options in a compact and portable package. This set includes 68 pieces with 64 metal bits, a magnetizer-demagnetizer, a tweezers tool, and even a metal spudger for more delicate tasks. It's perfect for everything from repairing phones and tablets to working on precision instruments. The 350 mAh rechargeable battery provides enough power for 300 screw jobs per charge, and the Type-C USB cable makes it easy to recharge. What sets this tool apart is its LED lighting, which helps illuminate screws in low-light environments, making it perfect for those intricate tasks that require a bit more precision. With torque forces adjustable between 0.1 nm to 0.35 nm, the JENABOM screwdriver is a fantastic tool for those who require high accuracy in their work. Number 2. Gisam. The Gisam wireless impact drill screwdriver is a powerhouse tool that offers both drilling and screw-driving capabilities. Powered by a 21-volt rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 28 nm of torque, ensuring you can tackle even more demanding DIY tasks with ease. This tool features 25 torque settings, allowing you to adjust the power based on the job at hand, whether it's light screwing or more heavy-duty drilling. The 2-speed setting, 0-405 min and 0-1600 min, further enhances its versatility, allowing you to choose the right speed for any project. Number 1. Bosch GO 3. Topping our list is the Bosch GO 3 electric screwdriver, a professional-grade tool that's compact yet powerful. With a 3.6 volts battery and a 5 Nm maximum torque, this screwdriver delivers precision and power for your DIY projects. What makes the Bosch GO 3 stand out is its intelligent LED lights, which provide not only illumination but also a low battery reminder, so you're never caught off guard. It features a 7+1 gear torque adjustment, allowing you to dial in the exact torque needed for your project, whether you're assembling furniture or doing small electrical repairs. The dual activation feature lets you choose between thrust start and switch start, giving you flexibility for different tasks. The universal chuck with magnetic suction automatically clamps your bits, making bit changes quick and easy. This versatile and efficient tool is perfect for those who need both performance and portability in a screwdriver. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.